we are identifying macroalgae to help with our rocky shore field trip.
In a couple of weeks we're going to the rocky shores and we're going to go through all the different kinds and have to identify them without any books or anything like that.
We have to go through and name each of these and using the dichotomous keys and learn 20 species.
The colour is not a very good diagnostic tool. It is one of the frustrations that you're facing, and it's one of the things we're trying to teach you today, that the obvious things are not always very good in taxonomy.
Right now, I'm looking at particular species of seaweeds that's very small and fibrous. So to tell it apart from some of the others, I'm using the microscope.
Some of them are really slimy and quite fun. I mean, there's one that you put in the water and when it's out it just looks like a ball of slime, and when it goes in it just disperses completely. It's quite fun getting in there and getting mucky, and this stuff doesn't move, whereas all the stuff with fish and like little amphipods, they jump and stuff.
So we teach first year students about seaweeds because later in the summer, in the first year and in the second year and in their third year, they do intertidal field courses, so they go onto the shore and have to identify the algae and the animals that are living on the shore. So what we do at the very beginning is we actually show them and teach them how to identify these species. So they'll be using this as the basis of all their future fieldwork activities that they're doing within the school.
Yeah, so it's okay. Seaweed doesn't move apart from the little things inside it which do. And they're disgusting, and some of this really stinks.
Now make sure you concentrate on those. The water depth, which you should have measured, should be around 16 centimeters, so 0.16 of a meter, 16 centimeters.
Studying bed forms and looking at how they develop over time while the sediment equilibrates with the waves which are being formed at the other end of the food.
We're measuring how much the waves from what we measured at 10:30 have moved that way from 10:45, so we're measuring the distance between the two peaks to see how much has moved in that direction.
The shallower the water gets, the steeper the waves becomes, but this process cannot continue forever. So below a certain depth, the waves become too steep and they break, and that's exactly what's happening on the beach over there. Okay.
Yeah, it's good to see how it actually works out. It's good to see it actually working as well. It's better than just doing theory all the time. So it certainly helps with your understanding of the subject and the processes that take place.